Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change Ome TV country in Android. So all you have to do now, if you have Ome TV installed on your device, you can try to update it first. As you can see, I already updated. So last update is April 17, 2024. It's a long time ago, but update your apps is a must. So here, if you don't have, you can download it for free. This is Ome TV video chat alternative. You can randomly chat someone, video chat someone with this Ome TV. So here we go. You can open it. Don't forget with your account. You can sign in via a Facebook or VK. So here we go. By using this video chat, you confirm that you are an adult and agreed with the Ome TV rules. And here, in order to change your base, your country, you can tap this icon. So here there is a United States as my base and also Indonesia. And here we go, you can change to another country based on your region. And here sometimes this country change built-in features is not precise. You go back to your base country whenever you change it to Brazil, to Canada, for example. You go back to United States by default. So you can use VPN instead of built-in option country here. So you can go back to the store and you can install any VPN that may be best for your device. So you can find like Turbo VPN, 100 million user, download this app, Super VPN, Thunder, a Warp, Secure VPN, and so on. So with this VPN combo with Ome, you can try to optimize your network, optimize your location, and make it precise location or precise server whenever you change the country. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.